1, part 3. In the part 3, students, first topic is that subset of the given two sets, either more than two sets. So students, basic again I just revise for you, and natural number, subset for W, whole number. Again the subsets for integers, and subsets that Q is a rational. So N is a subset of W. It means what, students? Every element of N present in whole number, and every whole number present in the integers, and every integer is present in the rational number, and all rational numbers are present in that real number. That I know and you also know. So that's I am applying for the real number R. Also here one data is present in the irrational. Students, irrational is also subset for real. So it is meaning for subset means what? First set, every element present in the second set is called our subsets. Students, here some more examples I just write down for you. N subset W, true. N subset Z, N subset Q, and N subset R is true. Same is going to W. Subset is a Z, W subset is Q, and W subset for R. Similarly, Z subset for Q, and Z subset is R, and lastly Q subset R, and one more, I is an irrational, only subset for R. So these all are the short definition for related example, students, subsets. So are you clear? What is meaning for subsets? Every element of given set, just like consider A, present in set B, it is called subset. So definition wise, every element of set A are present in set B is called A subset B. Students, here you show out the A subset B. I just give you one example. Just consider here 2, 3, 4 elements in set A. Definitely we have 5, 6, 7. So A set 1, 2, 3, 4, and B set is a 1, 2, 3, 4 compulsory, students. But another example for 5, 6, 7. So basic definition here over, students. Subset means a first data for set, every element is present in that another set. So that is the MCQ wise, asking for N to W to Z to Q to R, either I to R. So you just remember for this MCQ level asking in the subset wise. Clear? So students, subset related, I just explained it to little example 9 and example 10. So let's first start the example 9 related. Null set, set 13, set B 159, and set C 13579. And asking there subset or not subset related MCQs. Students, null set is a subset of every set, every time. So first answer is null set. Here subset I just show. And answer wise, here mention null set is subset of every set. Every set means itself also. So it means sometime asking null set, fill the blanks null set. So you also write down that subset. Not a belongs to, right? Because belongs to have any elements belonging, then belongs to. Subset wise are completely set. So null set have no element, don't worry. But null set is a subset of every set. Means even null set, fill the blanks A asking, B asking, C for any you just write down here subsets. For itself also. Now A and B. Check A element is present in B. No, 3 is not present. So here not a subset. Because reason right, 3 not belongs to B. That's why we cannot cover A subset B. Means not every element is present in B. Second, A subset C, every element is present in C. Yes, 1 and 3 present. So here subset. Next, last, B element present in C. 1 present, 5 present, 9 present. Yes, it is subset. So these are our simple numericals. Example 9 done. Now I go to example 10. So same example, students. That's why I combine explaining. A given A, E, I, O, U, our vowels, and B, A, B, C, D. Check. All elements are present in B. No. Now check all elements for B side. Present in A. Again no. It means both are not subsets. So mention here for set A, E, I, O, U. You say, having you thinking which element is not present in B? A present, B not present, E not present, I not present, O not present. So I just show out here E not belongs to B. Next I not belongs to B. Next O not belongs to B. And U also not belongs to B. Finally A not subset B. You also write down any one example, students. If you completely A same present in B, then that is called subset. Now think about to B side to A. So B side A, here for set B, I just known A, B, C, D. Check. A present in set A? Yes. Small letter B? No. So B not belongs to A. C? Yes, also not belongs to A. And D also not belongs to A. Finally, done here, B not subset A, because every element of B are not present in set A. That's why here second answer is also done. B not subset A. And first answer, A not subset B. Sorry, mistakes, my mistake there. You write down here not a subset. Yes, students. So here example 9 and example 10 done. Yes, students. Similarly, one more example for 11. Question is that A, B, C are 3 sets. Any 3 sets, students. And question given A belongs to B. It means A element is present in B. And B subset C. So is that asking it is true that A subset C? So let I check for suggestion wise. Suppose set A having just like taking 1 only. So what is the B set? Yes, these elements are present here. So I just write down 1. Another again I 2, 3, 4. So here satisfaction is done. A belongs to B. Is this element present in B? Belongs to means students present. And subset means all elements are present there. Then that is called whole sets applied. Now check B subset C also given. So suppose here according to B subset C, I just going to C set. So can you guess answer? Yes, all elements is present in C. So D element necessary write down. That way other number is also write down. So if A belongs to B and B subset C, then now check what is my result. My result asking A subset C. Is every element is present in C? Is every element is present in C? Say students, it is set? No, it is only belongs to. Then A never subset C. Yes, A belongs to C is true. So here just note it. A belongs to C true, but not a subset. Clear? Similarly, you making different examples also, students, and that way you moving. It belongs to true, but not a subset. Now, students, after subsets, I I going to one of the major part in this set chapter, intervals of R. R is a real number. You know that N, W, Z, Q, after that R real number. There are 4 types of intervals, students. So I explain you one by one. First interval, it is a close to close, A comma B. Students, this bracket you just read out. It is a close to close. It meaning this, you just compare with the set A. I just write down close to close. It means X such that X is A belongs to and also B belongs to, and where X belongs to R. This number indicate drawing wise. You show out here R positive, here R negative. And this part is A. Some numbers for A. Here some numbers for B. B counted. That's why I am taking here close brackets. A also counted. That's why here close bracket, and between is all intervals values are countable in this set. So this is not a limited area. It is a infinite many numbers present in that set. Between is also A counted, B counted because here close bracket given. So you just apply. I give you some examples, students. If you written here -5 and here 1. So what is the set for A? Here set A is a close bracket -5 to 1. Either you can say X such that -5 less than X less than or equal to 1. X belongs to R. Here infinitely many answers available in the close to close. Yes, students. Now I go to second interval. Similarly, close to open now. A close but B open. This is a open bracket reading. Means B value not counted. Same example I explained here. Set B for the close to open. So drawing wise also same. It is X such that X belongs to here A less than or equal to X. Only open bracket B. You B not counted. Only B upper side less than. Means B before number is counted. And go to drawing wise. Same as here R positive, R negative. Here some number for counted value A. Here open bracket. These are counted. These is not counted. Students. One more time repeat. Here A and B both countable because my data is close to close. Here close to open. So only A counted. Between all value countable. But B not countable. Same example I show. Consider here is -5 and here is 1. So set B I have close bracket -5 to open bracket 1. So my answer is X such that this is the same. -5 less than or equal to X less than 1. X belongs to R. Look at this, students. I not value 1 countable. Before 1, all value countable till up to 0.99999 also, but 1 not is countable in this part. Yes, correct. Now after 2 intervals done, students, I go to third interval. What is first interval? Close to close. Second, close to open. Third, open to close. Consider it is our set C. It is open bracket A to close bracket B. It means, students, A not countable but B countable. So answer X such that A less than or equal to B here. X belongs to R. And I drawing wise just show. Here R minus, here R plus. This value is a countable. Counted in the answer, and here open bracket to A. Between is all countable, and these are the open bracket. It means, students, finally done. First letter A here not we apply the answer. So I give you same example here, students, for regarding -5 to 1. Any example taking that. So set of C, just you going open bracket -5 to close bracket 1. Same example I show. So my answer is X such that minus 5 but less than or equal to one countable in the real number. And that's my third intervals for the set of the intervals open to close. And similarly, last I going to fourth intervals. It is open to open. So first interval close to close, second close open, open close third, and fourth open. So same way, just consider it is set thing. It is A to B. It is A not countable, B not countable. Between all are countable data. So here the values for x such that A less than x less than B, but x belongs to R. So going to find ways, here R positive, here R negative, here value for A, value for B. Between is all are countable values, but not countable A, not countable B. That interval is showing open to open. And I just give you same example here, minus 5 to 1. So my set of D, it is open bracket minus 5 to 1 is a x such that minus 5 less than 1, x belongs to R. It means students, minus 5 not countable. After that more value minus 5 is countable till up to before 1. That's your our fourth interval, students. Clear? So there are 4 intervals wise asking questions in the our further exercise. Okay. After interval, I am going to next part. It is a power set. Yes, students. Power set is one of the part of subset. So I just example wise I explain you. It is a consider set A having some elements maybe 1, 2, 3. So how many elements in A? 3. And indicate number of elements. And indicate number of elements. So how many elements are there? 3. So your first property coming from power set, total number of power set of set A. It is called P of A. P of A indicates students power set of A, and that's property is 2 raised to n. Always, and n is indicate what? 3. Means we have total 8 power set. So my power sets are, first of all, null set is a subset of every set. It is fixed. Again, null set is a subset of every set. Now students look here. 1, 2, 3. I show out by different pairwise. So first of all, single terms 1, 2, 3. After that double 1, 2, 1, 3, and 2, 3. And last of the total 1, 2, 3. So this indicates your total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are our subsets. For related our power set or the given set A. Now students, I just explain you. These are the surely our set A. Correct? These all are applied in curly bracket. Is called our power set of A. I give you some examples for your more practice. Null set in the blanks P of A. Just judgment your answer. I write belongs to or subset. Your option given belong not belong, subset not subset. 4 topic wise this MCQ asking. Second, this one fill the blanks of PA. Same this 2. Same as of PA. But these are extra, but MCQ wise asking in exam. Similarly, here 3 fill the blanks of PA. Same as all I explained. 1, 2 for PA, 1, 3, same as of PA. PA means power set. 2, 3, similarly of PA, and last 1, 2, 3 is dash of PA. So what is the first answer? Null set have no element. So here write down belongs to is possible, No. Not belongs to possible? No. Null set is a subset of every set. So your answer is must be null set subset. Now A1 is an element of PA. Element means here belongs to. This also belongs to. Because it is the element. Here some element, some element, some element. This also A is an element of PA. So here going to PA set for belongs to. A is a belongs to PA every time. Because it is one of the elements of. How many elements are there? It is each elements for the power set of A. So power set means what? Subsets of all given set in that set form is called our power set. Clear? Now after that interval students and power set, I go to universal set. You know the universal set? Universe known. The whole world. In the whole world, different continental. You know that how many continentals? After that continental, thereafter going to lower base our countries. And country wise going then different types of states. States also are dissolved in the different types of district. District also dissolved in different villages. And different villages are dissolving in the different persons. Each person belong to our village. Every village person belong to our the district. Every district belongs to our state. Every state, Indian state, belong to our full country. And full country belonging to continental. And all continental belonging to universe. So that type here universal I explained. You know that universal is just I give you an example for R. R is a real number. So students here, these are the real number R. Consider it is a universal. So you know that same figure I explained you. It is a Q rational. After that Z, W, N and I. These all are the set for subset of R. An internal set number just like N. 1, 2, 3, 4 are the elements of N. Same as elements of W. Same as element of Z. Q and I. These all elements present in one whole set. It is called universal set. Clear? So these are the universal sets. Every member belonging to here sets. That points. Either N, W, Z, either outside area is also belonging in that point set. So here in this example, I explain you R is our universal set. It is every member present in this set. So R is called our universal set. Same as you also consider. It is a complex number. So a complex number is a universal set for these R, Q up to I and N. So depending on your subject, our universal set is defined. Just like example for in our school. Our school campus is a universal set. Different types of building, different type of standard, different students, girls, boys, teachers, they all are the elements of this school. But the whole compound is the whole campus. It is called our universal sets. That times we are N to R, our universal set for this R. Clear? Students, now I am going to exercise 1.3. Question number first. Just fill the blanks asking. Utilize the subset and not a subset. So students, first question 2, 3, 4 present here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, definitely present. So here I just write down it is a subset. Second, ABC present here ABC? No, BC present but A not present. So I just write down here not a subset. Third, X such that X is the students of class 11 in your school. Means all students in your school is a subset of your school. No, it is not a subset. If it is reverse question asking it you, the students of your school surely subset of your students of the 11th standard, your students. Now for x such that is a circle in a plane. So consider one of the plane, here circle I draw, and second x such that is a circle in the same plane with radius 1. So maybe radius 1 is this, maybe here, maybe inside. They're not sure. So here your answer is not a subset. Maybe this circle is a larger than one, then also not a subset. Okay. Next, x such that x is a triangle in a plane. It is all triangle. Equilateral, isosceles, scalene, isosceles, right angle triangle, that type triangles. And here rectangle in a plane. So already triangle is a rectangle in a plane. No, it is not a subset. 6. Equilateral triangle is a subset of triangle in the same plane. Yes, it is a subset. Because here many triangles are available, that one of the equilateral. And last, even natural number. Students, even natural number means 2, 4, 6, 8, and 9. And x such that x is an integer. So integer you know, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these all are present here, definitely. So it is, my answer is what? Yes, it is, answer is a subset. Very easily done. Same is students, question number 2, related subset and not a subset. A question asking in the true false types. Means students, we judge our data is true or false. So I start one first, a comma b, and here b c a. So you check all a comma b present here. Yes, it is present. It means subset is true, but here given that not a subset. So my data is false. And mention that correct statement is what? Correct statement, a comma b is a subset of b c a, because the present inside a comma b. That's why it means my statement is false, because you have printed what? Not a subset. Second, a comma e, x such that x is the vowels in English alphabet. So what is the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Check. A comma e present here? Yes, present. So it is definitely, my answer is what? True. Here no need to proofing, because already I show here vowels A, E, I. Now third one, 1, 2, 3 present here, 1, 2, 3 no, not present. So it is not a subset, but here printed subset. So my answer is what? Yes, it is false. And mention that correct statement is what? 1, 2, 3 is not a subset of 1, 3, 5. Surely my answer is not a subset. Now continue. Next question. A, here ABC present here. Yes, it is true. So no need to proving here. It is to answer, because my answer is what? It is true. Continue. Fifth one. A belongs to an ABC. No, this A is not. It is a set. This also set. So here answer is a subset. Then it is true. Answer here, my answer is false, because correct statement, students, correct statement is a here subset, right? Don't write it is a belongs to. Yes, if you hear A only printed then it is a member. So belongs to true. But my question is what? It is a set notation. It is curly bracket both sides given. So I just show up here. It is a subset. So my statement is false. And next one, last, is an even natural number less than 6. So which are the even natural number? Less than 6? Yes, 2 and 4. After that subset printed here. X such that x is a natural number which is divides 36. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Students, I just only 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Next. 5 not, 6 not, 7 not, 6 possible. 6. After that 7 not, 8 not, 9 4 done. After that 12. Next 36. So 18 also. And last 36. Check. This 2 4 is present here. Yes, it is true. It means here our easily true false times question happily students here done. Yes students, now I go to question number third. Third also belongs to and subset related some questions are given. But A is already written 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So students just guess here how many elements are in given set A. 1, 2. These are combined calculated. So 1, 2. These are the 3 and these are 4. There's only 4 elements are there in this set. You not counted here total 5 elements. Because 3, 4 these are combined elements. Now first 3, 4 is a subset of A? No, because it is elements. So my first answer is incorrect. My question is what? Find out the incorrect statement and also reason why. So I just written here incorrect because 3, 4 is an element. So belongs to A, not a subset of A. Are you clear? When subset, it is a set given present, then it is subset. But it is an element. So one more time repeat. 1, 2. This is only 3 and that are the 4. There is only 4 elements are there. You not counted total 5 elements. Now second. 3, 4 belongs to A. Yes, obviously it is true. So my statement is what? It is correct statement. So no need to, according to question wise, solution. Now 3, 4 element, but outside set given. So it is subset of A. Yes, it is true. I mean correct statement. Now continue. 4. 1 belongs to A. Check. 1 is an element of A. Yes, it is true. It means correct statement. Correct. Now next, 1 is a subset of A. No, it is not a set. It is element only students. So it is our false, either incorrect statement. Just I show it is incorrect statement. Continuing 1 to 5. 1 to 5. Yes, it is a set for the A. So it is a correct statement. Okay, my target is what? Incorrect statement defined. So only incorrect statement I just find out here first. And all are true. Yes, fifth also. Now continue. 1 to 5 belongs to A? No, it is not belongs to. It is correct one subset. So here mention it is a incorrect. Because 1 to 5 is what? Subset of A. Continue. 1 to present, but 3 is not belonging to that one. It is a combined 3, 4. So actually this data is wrong. It means question is wrong. So I just showing it is incorrect. Incorrect statement. And if you according to solution wise, you not define 3, 4 are combined here. So you only show here it is a incorrect. Null set belongs to A? No, null set is a subset of every set. It is incorrect. Because null set is subset of every set. And mention side by side. Null set is subset of every set. Means itself also. Students, these are again repeat 1, 2, 3. Actually, question is wrong. That's why I written here incorrect. And next one, null set subset A. Yes, it is correct one. Because null set is subset of every set. And last of the, students, this indicate what? Yes, it is a singleton set. Means null set present in curly bracket. It is called singleton set. Singleton set means one member available in this set, and this one member are subset of a check. No, it is one member. It is not a subset of it. It is an incorrect. My answer is a incorrect, and that's why these are final over here. Next question in exercise. Question number 4. Heading is that write down all the subsets. Yes, students, write down all the subsets. Very easy. First one, A is equal to only small a. This is the second question. These are third and these are fourth. So all I one by one explain you. First of all, total number of subset is a formula what? 2 raised to n. N is indicated what? Total number of elements. It is only 1. So my answer is only 2. Now all subset. First null set. Every time first null set write, because null set is a subset of every set. And then after 2, first set A finished 1 and 2. And these are happily done here. Now next one, B is equal to A comma B. Similarly write total number of subsets, which is 2 raised to n. So 2 raised to 2. My answer is 4. Why did we get 2? Because we have 2 sets for elements A and B. Now all subsets, which is 2 raised to n. After that I am going to null set first. Now individually A, B and both of the AB, these are our second question done here for all subsets. Check out 1, 2, 3 and 4. Students, already these I explained you in the previous solutions. Don't worry, again I explain total number of subsets, which is 2 raised to n. So 2 raised to 3 become how much? Yes, it is 8. Why written 3? Because here 3 elements. Now I show out to all subsets. First, null set. After that, 1, 2, 3. Single. Now double. 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3. These are the double. And last all I need 1, 2, 3. That much is the total. Our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are the subsets of given set. And last is a D null set. Null set have no elements. So here also same method. Total number of subset. Formula same, students, 2 raised to n. But n is what here? 0. Because null set have no elements. And n raised to 0 is what? 1. So here answer, all subset is a itself null set. And also you show here, null set is a subset of itself. This also you apply the MCQ wise one of the 1 questions. So students, you have finally done our 4 questions. If you subset asking related power set, so you write down this in the curly bracket, here in the curly bracket, here in the curly bracket, and that also curly bracket. So it is indicate our power set. Collection of all set, it is called power set, and this indicate only subset. Same question related our power set and subsets. A have null set and asking how many elements in PA. So very easy, students. N of A how many? Null set have no elements with 0. So total number of power set A have, it is only 2 raised to n formula, students. And 2 raised to n means 2 raised to 0. It is only and only 1. And happily this question is also done here, students. Correct? Yes, very easy sum. Now students, after 5th sum, I write the 6th question or 4th one. Question is that, write down the following as in interval form. Students, these are the form in the set notation forms are given in the property wise. And I asking here intervals. Already known in 4 intervals: close to close, close to open, open to close, and open to open. So just read here. Only less, and here or equal to less than. So what is the interval? Here open bracket and here close bracket. So my answer set A, which is 4 minus 6 close bracket, here open bracket, means minus 4 are not counted, but 6 are counted with. Finished. Only this answer. One more. Here see set B. Also minus 12 and minus 10. Check. Here less than given only. This open bracket. This also less than open bracket. You just write down. Both are the simple open bracket. It means students, between all numbers are counted, but minus 12 and minus 10 are not countable in this answer. One more. It belongs to our 0 less or equal to x less than 7. So 7 not counted, but 0 is counted. So my answer here set of C, which is 0 to close, 7 to open. And last one is set D. Same is 3 less than or equal to 4 less than or equal to. My answer is close bracket 3 to close bracket 4 in real number R. Students, this answer related to real number R. Numerical done. But now I explain to extra level for your extra checking. If I given here only x belongs to natural, then what is my answer A? Definitely natural number related these are only for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But here belongs to us between all number presents. Means just like 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4 all are. But only natural number, then this answer is. Same if you this question are changed to this. Extra for x belongs to n. So what is answer here? No answer present. So my answer is set B. In this case, my answer is null set. If you natural number given. Same is here. If I change here natural number, x belongs to natural. So what is the answer between 0 to 7? Yes. My answer is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 not counted. 0 counted according to interval, but natural number wise they not counted because natural number not element for 0 that. And last, if you here I change for natural number, so then guess what is the answer? In close bracket 3 to 4, natural number, sure my answer is null set because no number present in between 3 to 4 for null set because it is a natural number. Correct? Yes, we are done. Now same related reverse question. Write down the intervals in the set builder form. Should the set builder form means interval given, I just converted it into set form. So set A, x such that x. See, it is an open bracket. It is also open bracket. So I just show out minus 3 less than x less than 0. X belongs to R. That's my first answer. Again second interval given close to close. It means set B is x such that mark 6 less than or equal to and 12 less than or equal to. Means what? Both number counted. That's why I written close bracket to close bracket. Continue. Set of C are the open bracket with the close bracket. So x such that x less than the 6 number not counted, but 12 number counted in the x belongs to R. So 6 are open bracket, but 12 are in close bracket. And lastly, this answer is a closed to open bracket. So set of D. Students here D set write down x such that minus 23 counted, but 5 will be not counted in the x belongs to R. So finally done here students. These are closed bracket and that are our open bracket. Yes, it's very easy and simple example for you. Question 8 students, just to define what is a universal set, would you propose for it? Means you just decided students first answer or second, what is the universal? Means what is the highest property belonging to first one? Set of the right triangles, or second, set of isosceles triangles. Students, isosceles triangle means two sides are equal, and right angle triangles means now 190 degree. You know that. But in this right angle triangle, possibility for two sides are equal with 90. But here not possible. Isosceles means only there are two sides are equal. So these are our universal sets. So my answer, just I show out, universal set is defined as this first one, the set of right triangles. These students, in right triangle there are two possibilities. One of the right angle and isosceles combined are present. Therefore, I take in first one our right angle triangles for universal sets. Same question according to it. Ninth one. Determine in ABC. Define what is the universal set in the given all four options. Students, already options given. So check them. 1, 3, 5 present in which set? Yes, first, third, and fourth. 2, 4, 6. Yes, in third. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Yes, in third. Means all are belonging to our third set. So this third set is my universal set. You will define, and that's a simple answer. Means students, given set ABC, all are applying in this according to options wise. I selected universal set U. And students, I think so. Our here exercise 1.3 happily done. So one more time revise to all points. First I explained today you subset. After that intervals. Next after that subsets for power sets. Related all intervals also explained 1, 2, 3, 4. Close to close, open to open, close to open, and open to close. And that related some examples and exercise. Yes students, happily done. Our this the third part, and next study further explanation in the next video. Thank you very much.